someone will find out.
So it's supposed to be like
ekitongole kya National Information Registration Authority NIRA nikyo kiri kuvunaanizibwa aha kuhandiika abantu. Okuhandiika oku kurimu okuhandiika abantu, kutunga endangamuntu, okuhandiika abaana, kutunga enamba erikubamanyisa ku bari abanyayuganda, okuhandiika obushwere, okuhandiika okufa n'ebindi. Obwahati ekitongole eki kya NIRA kitongwizeho ehururu y'okuhandiika abaana bato abahikize ebiro 30 bahereze kuzaarwa. Minisita w'ihanga ahabw'amashanyarazi Honorable Fiona Nyamutoro hamwe niba omweshongozi Rurangano Kenzo begisire omuhururu egi aho babasize kuhandikisa omwereere waabo. Abaha omu kugambaho Natal West bahigire abanyayuganda boona okuhandikisa abaana baabo okutunga National Identification Number bakiri bato nikwihanga ribaase okubatebeekanisiza.
Bw'okikola n'omuleeta omwana okumuregisteringa mu nnaku at least nga tezinnawera 30 mu mwezi gumu, bajja kuwa nini namba bakuwe n'ebbaluwa y'obuzaale ku bwereere. So mbadde nsaba abazadde mwenna abali eyo okuba nga twenyigira mu nkola eno tusobole okuba nga tetuyisa mu nnaku ezo at least tusobole okuba nga tufuniramu wamu.
Nira, for the great work that they are doing. They have an identification system that tracks children right from birth to adulthood. This is helping government to have a proper footprint of the citizens that we have in the country, which eventually enables us to have proper planning and ensure that development actually trickles down to all citizens. Thank you, Nira.
We ori omugambirizi w'ekitongole eki ekya NIRA Osborne Mushabe arikugambaho Natal West agizire ngu okuhandikisa abaana bakiri bato ni kirungi munonga ahabw'eihanga nikwe kushaba abazaire okukyengeramu.
As NIRA, we are running a birth registration campaign, and we encourage all Ugandans to register their children within 30 days. We thus call upon everyone to make sure that when you deliver from hospital, try to move to the NIRA offices or to even within that health facility, try to register your child or try to register your children within 30 days. You'll be able to get a free birth certificate, you'll be able to get a NIN, and this will be so helpful to us in planning for the country and running the identification register.
You register?
Yes.
Thank you, Nira.